What's up, guys? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my, is this a separate video? Welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of my senior trip vlog. Today we're going to Universal. It's currently 7 something, and I'm really tired because we went to bed really late last night because we got back really late, and Gwyneth got in late because she went to her boyfriend's graduation.
Okay, I thought I would be here till they're 8. The shuttle sat at the airport.
No, it's okay. We forgive her. But yeah, I have to vlog on my phone now because I don't know where my GoPro charger is. I guess I didn't bring it, which I'm mad about. But anyway, so that kind of bothers me. But yeah, okay, gotta get ready now. Bye.
Wisconsin pines collaborating with the day-glow vibes, you know.
Hey guys, what's up? We just got to Universal and I'm really tired because I don't know. Yesterday we were literally awake for like 23 hours because we woke up at like 2 and then went to bed at like, I did not sleep. 1-ish, like it was rough, so that's so fun. I'm really exhausted, but we're about to go into Universal and then we're gonna go to Harry Potter World.
Touristic made a travel guide. It's chill, but Lord knows you're trying. Zombie kids love to hear that easy-going shit.
Welcome to London, everyone.
Hip hip cheerio.
That's the way it goes. It's so satisfying.
I'm so excited.
This is my office, Claudette. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new clients the vault. I was just getting the keys.
Well, I moved.
Hey guys! We just rode Gringotts. It was really, really magical and fun. And I'm really excited because I didn't ride it because I was scared. And we're gonna go frolic around Hogwarts now. Diagon Alley. And I'm so excited!
High on a hill, an enchanted garden, enclosed by tall walls and protected by strong magic, flowed the fountain of found fortune. Once the
Oh dear. Meteorologics! Recopter! No. Definitely not you.
It's like a triangle. I'm sad. Got myself Gryffindor shirt, reppin'. We're going to the Jimmy Fallon ride right now, and yeah.
Hi. Is this
Caroline?
vlog?
Yeah.
Hi vlog. I can't wait to see myself.
And then we're gonna go to Hogsmeade, I think. Go over to Hogwarts. This is so fun. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. We're blaming Jessica for everything. Jessica's our scapegoat because she lies to us about rides and then makes us ride them. I want to be famous. Shut up. Hi.
I want to be famous.
That literally is me.
Hey, I want to be famous.
We're about to go on Hogwarts Express and go to the other park.
Where's your vlogging camera?
Oh, I had to downgrade to your amateur method of filming on my phone because I left my charger at home, I guess.
It's Kindle again, the best. So, I'm a better vlogger than Mattie, actually. But
Do you have a YouTube channel?
I could make one. They're free, easy.
Okay.
Actually, I do have one.
I want to live in Hogwarts my life. My whole
My
life.
life.
My whole life.
I want to live in Hogwarts my life.
I was listening.
Yeah, me too.
I need to be in Hogwarts.
I'm glad we have our
Also, P.S. my wand broke and I'm so sad. Like I might cry. Like the tip of it broke off the little sensor part, and now I can't be magic anymore.
Can you tape it back in?
I think that's how it works.
You guys ready?
I'm excited.
Jess.
I'm really excited.
Steps on my shoulder!
Are you alright, Harry?
I'm okay. I'm okay. That was brilliant.
Like my bad side. We're getting. I'm getting my second butterbeer for today. I'm getting my second butterbeer of the day, and I'm getting frozen this time because I'm crazy. There's this guy over here named Dylan, and he just talked to us for a long time, and I told him I put him in my vlog, but he ran away.
Wait, we have proof. We have proof.
He made her master trivia, and he's really scared of me.
Yeah, you literally freaked me out.
Okay, bye. Dylan just talked to Savannah about me. I'm getting my third butterbeer of the day. He looks like 30. He was a kindergarten teacher.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, but also kind of weird. Isn't that weird if guys are kindergarten teachers?
I feel like it shouldn't be because it's kind of a double standard.
Yeah, you're right. That is so right.
It might be weird because women can be pedophiles too, but it's not talked about.
That's true. You're right.
And some boys just like viewing with kids. Like that's why Noah's a camp counselor. He likes being with kids and be like imagination. So maybe just wanted to feed into their imagination and who they are as people and help them grow. But it always gets a bad rap.
That's a beautiful. Yeah, I agree with you. Okay, bye.
And that's what we do on this channel. We smash double standards.
So this guy behind me in the blue right there, that's Dylan. And he's in my vlog now because he was too scared to be before. See him? Oh wait, the guy in the orange shirt just blocked him. That's Dylan right there. I really want him to talk to me again, but I think he's scared of me. Update! Alita's waddling. but I won't show you because she's embarrassed about it. And Caroline, no one would let me get a tattoo because we have to leave, but I just wanted to get a tattoo of a cherry on my butt cheek, but they wouldn't let me, and I'm really sad now. And the guy was really sad that I wouldn't buy his tattoos. Now for Alita. Walk! Alita, you're gonna be famous. Update, I popped the pimple on my face, so that's really exciting.